This woman thought she was just fixing clothes in the washing machine, but suddenly a hidden current ran through her hand. The next moment, a powerful electric shock threw her to the ground. Always remember, never touch a running machine with wet hands. Safety comes first. She was cooking like any normal day, when suddenly the stove burst into flames. In panic, she ran out of the kitchen, barely saving her life. Accidents like this can happen in seconds, and
Asterisk looks like just another day on the job, but one wrong move with an electric grinder can change everything. In the first clip, you see how quickly this tool can slip, cutting not just material, but putting your hands at serious risk. In the next moment, the full force of the grinder kicks back, and instead of the wall, it slams dangerously close to the body. And finally, this is the reality. A tool built to cut through metal can just as easily cut through flesh. These machines are powerful, and without proper safety, gloves, protective gear, and focus, they can turn deadly in seconds. Never use an electric cutter carelessly, never without protection, and never without respect for the danger it carries. Your safety is worth more than a shortcut. Asterisk.
a worker was walking through a narrow space when suddenly he slipped and fell hard to the ground. His teammates rushed to help, but even a small fall in a factory can cause serious injury. Always stay alert, use safety rails, and never ignore protective measures. Safety at work saves lives.